In this video, I will show you how you can copy your GitHub profile link. So to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open your browser. On your browser, go ahead and open GitHub. Now on the GitHub website, go ahead and sign in into your GitHub account. Once you're signed in into your account, go ahead and press on the upper right corner of your screen represented by this icon. Click on that your profile button, and on your profile, go ahead and copy the link address of your profile. So as you can see in here, there is no option for you to get your GitHub profile link on the website itself, but what you can do is to go ahead and copy the link of your profile to be able to use it on the different social media platforms and websites where you want and need to use it. And that's basically how you can do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.